Welcome to my channel Botany Tutorials. Before watching my video, subscribe my channel and share to all your friends, and don't forget to click on bell icon. Then only you will get latest updates of my channel. Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain another topic, that is structure of cell. Structure of cell. In living organisms, cells are of mainly two types. They are, number one, prokaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells. And second type is eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells. These two types of cells are found in living organisms. Okay. In that, first one, prokaryotic cell. Pro means primitive. Pro means primitive. And karyon. Karyon means nucleus. Nucleus. Primitive nucleus is found in prokaryotic cell. Okay. Where prokaryotic cells are present? Prokaryotic cells are found in primitive organisms. Primitive organisms. What are the primitive organisms? Some examples are bacteria. Bacteria. Next, mycoplasma. Next, cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria. These all are prokaryotic organisms. Are you understand? Prokaryotic organisms means they contain primitive nucleus. What is primitive nucleus? Primitive nucleus means DNA is present. That means genetic material is present. Around the genetic material there is no envelope. There is no nuclear membrane. Such nucleus is called primitive nucleus, and the cell is called prokaryotic cell. Okay. Next, second type, eukaryotic cell. What is eukaryotic cell? Here, true nucleus. That means advanced nucleus. Advanced nucleus is found. Advanced nucleus is found in eukaryotic cell. That is, nucleus is enveloped by nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane is present. Nuclear membrane is present. Such cell is called eukaryotic cell. What are the examples? Coming to examples, higher plants. Higher plants and animals. Higher plants and animals are examples for eukaryotic cell containing organisms. Okay. Now I would like to explain the structure of prokaryotic cell. Thereafter I explain eukaryotic cell structure. Okay. In that I would like to take example of bacteria cell. Bacteria cell. Bacteria are vary in their shape. They may be rod shaped, they may be spherical shaped, etc. In that I am taking rod shaped bacteria. Rod shaped bacteria, that is bacillus. Bacillus. Okay. Bacillus is a rod shaped bacterium. The line which I have drawn here is plasma membrane. Plasma membrane of rod shaped bacterium. This is plasma membrane. I am writing here plasma membrane. Okay. Outer to the plasma membrane there is cell wall. This is cell wall. This cell wall is present around the plasma membrane. This is cell wall. This cell wall is made up of with peptidoglycan. This is cell wall. Cell wall is made up of with peptidoglycan. Peptidoglycan. Okay. In some bacteria, outer to the cell wall, there is a gelatinous layer. In some bacteria, outer to the cell wall, gelatinous layer is present, which is known as glycocalyx. Glycocalyx. Otherwise, it is also known as capsule, which helps in drying and desiccation of cell, that protect from drying of bacterial cell, otherwise desiccation of bacterial cell. Next, in certain areas of plasma membrane folds inside. That means plasma membrane fold inside, and these foldings are known as mesosomes. These are the mesosomes. These mesosomes works like mitochondria. What is the function of mesosome? They work like mitochondria. What is the function of mitochondria? Mitochondria are useful in respiration. Here, mesosomes also involved in respiration. They degrade the complex molecules and release the energy. Are you understand? Mesosomes are involved in the respiration and they release energy. In some bacteria, these mesosomes are also useful in cell division. They are also involved in cell division. Okay. On the surface of bacteria, some finger-like projections are present. These finger-like projections are called fimbriae. The function of fimbriae is attachment. They attaches to the other bacteria. They are attached to the surface of the other bacterium or other substances. Okay. Next, inner to the plasma membrane there is cytoplasm. This all is cytoplasm. This is cytoplasm. In the cytoplasm, all enzymes are present. Cytoplasm contain enzymes. These enzymes are useful for all metabolic activities of bacterial cell. In the cytoplasm, some granular structures are present. These granular structures are also known as ribosomes. These are ribosomes. Ribosomes are generally 70S type. 70S type of ribosomes are present in bacterial cell. In the cytoplasm, there is a single circular DNA is present. This is naked DNA. Around the DNA, envelope is absent. That is, nuclear membrane is absent. That's why it is called prokaryotic cell. In some bacteria, along with normal genetic material, extra genetic material is found. Only in some bacteria, extra genetic material is present. That extra genetic material is called plasmid. If the plasmid containing bacterial cell is called plus strain or positive strain. The bacterium which have plasmid are called plus strains or positive strains. Otherwise, they are also known as donor strains. Otherwise, they are also known as male bacterium or male strains. If the bacterium do not have this plasmid, then they are called negative strains. and the bacterial cell is called recipient strain or recipient bacterium. Recipient bacterium, otherwise it is called female cell or female bacterium. And this plasmid have mainly three types of genes. Mainly three types of genes. I am writing here. They are number one F gene. Number one F gene, and second one is R gene, and third one is choline genes. Choline gene. These three types of genes are present in plasmid. Okay. F gene is nothing but fertility gene. Fertility gene. This gene is responsible for formation of sex pili. Sex pili. Sex pili are similar to fimbriae, but they are slight larger than fimbriae. They are slight larger than fimbriae. They are also appear like fimbriae. The main function of this sex pili. This is sex pili. The main function of sex pili is exchange of genetic material. Exchange of genetic material. Genetic material. Sex pili during fertilization or during reproduction, that helps in exchange of genetic material, exchange of DNA. If the plasmid is absent, sex pili is not produced or not formed on the bacterial cell. During conjugation, this sex pili is not formed. Second one is R gene. R gene is nothing but resistance gene. Resistance gene, that is useful in resistance against antibiotics. Antibiotics. R gene is useful to resistance against antibiotics. Next one, choline gene. This gene is helps in showing resistance against colicin. Resistance against colicin. This colicin is produced by Escherichia coli. E. coli. Escherichia coli producing colicin. This is a taxine. This choline gene shows resistance against colicin. This all is about structure of prokaryotic cell, that is bacterial cell. I understand. I want to explain once again. The bacterial cell have a plasma membrane. Outer to the plasma membrane, cell wall is present. This cell wall is made up of with peptidoglycan. In some bacteria, outer to the cell wall, a gelatinous layer is present. This gelatinous layer is known as glycocalyx. Otherwise, it is called capsule. The main function of capsule is protect the bacterial cell from drying or desiccation. Next, in certain areas, in some areas, the plasma membrane shows foldings. These foldings are called mesosomes. These mesosomes are helpful in respiration and they are also useful in cell division. Okay. Next, on the surface of the bacterial cell, some finger-like projections are present. These finger-like projections are called fimbriae. Fimbriae. They are useful in attachment. Okay. Next, coming to inner to the plasma membrane, there is cytoplasm. In the cytoplasm, all metabolic enzymes are present. Next, in the cytoplasm, some granular structures are present. Those granular structures are called ribosomes. Ribosomes are generally 70S type. Next, in the cytoplasm, circular DNA is present. Circular DNA is present, which is not enveloped by nuclear membrane. That is the primitive character. Next, along with normal genetic material, extra genetic material is found in some bacteria. That extra genetic material is called plasmid. If the plasmid containing bacteria are called positive strains or donor strains or male strains. If the plasmid is absent in the bacterium cell, then it is called recipient cell or minus strains or negative strains or female cells. Okay, this plasmid contain mainly three types of genes. They are F gene, R gene, and third one is colon gene. F gene is responsible for fertility, that is involved in fertility. That means that is involved in the formation of sex pili. Sex pili is also similar to Fimbriae. They are slightly larger than Fimbriae. Okay. Next one is R gene. R gene is showing resistance against antibiotics. Third one is colon gene. This colon gene is showing resistance against colicin, which is produced by Escherichia coli. In the next class, I would like to explain another cell, that is eukaryotic cell structure. Okay.